respect to another function. What we do is we write y is equal to sine square x and t is equal to log x whole square. What they are asking? They are asking dy by dt. This is dy by dt they are asking. Differentiation of y with respect to t. Now, dy by dx will give you 2 sine x and derivative of sine x is d by dx of sine x. Similarly, dt by dx will give you 2 log x into d by dx of log x because you are differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, you get it as 2 sine x cos x, and dt by dx, we get it as 2 log x by x. Now what we require? We require dy by dt. So dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt. Mathematically dx cancels we say, but dy by dx into dx by dt. What is dy by dx we got? We can write as sine 2x and the reciprocal of it, dx by dt will give you x by 2 log x. This is equal to dy by dt. Or if you want to write in a simple form, you can write sin x cos x into x by log x. This is differentiation of one function with respect to another function. Whenever with respect to another function you have to take, you take another function as a t, this as a y. It's your wish. You can take u, whatever the means variable you have to take, but basically dy by dt they are asking. We can see the option. Option is x sin x cos x by log. Option A is correct.